if you buy the bus, and you buy the bus, now for your name, dirty dog. You hear me I say? Matter of fact, yo, drive! Drive this bum right. You hear me say drive?
If you're in the Orlando or Ocala, Florida area, or even Georgia, and you're looking to buy or sell your home, Janet Campbell is the realtor you should call. You can WhatsApp her or call her at 407-449-3371. Or you can visit her website at www.donetcampbell.com. Or you can also find her on Facebook.
At Richard Brown's Films, we offer more than just movies. We offer professional photo and video services. In case your family members or friends are unable to attend your event, we can live stream it just for you. So if you're in need of a professional photo and video services, look no further. Call the number on the screen. Guess what? You can get to meet some of your favorite actors and actresses at your event. If you never knew, now you know. Pick up the phone and call us today to book your special event.
One phone call changed everything. One open door brought suffering. When loyalty becomes a chain, everybody feels the pain. Oh, you choose love over truth. Oh, you lose everything for proof. Sometimes love off it draw the line before darkness steal your shine. Love can't blind me. Love should set me free. If you're wrong, you're wrong. Even if you are family. One bad choice, bring police to me door. Love can't hide crime, love can't buy peace. When you protect badness, good things cease. Sometimes the hardest words to say, no, before everything fade away.
No, man, I'm there bus park, man. I just want at least, well, I'm not a passenger, but if I get two, I can move and pick you up. But here, I can't carry a bag of things in my vehicle, you know, so if you have whole of market sitting, I can't carry. Alright, maybe I can come for you, but here, I get a call, I call you back.
Yo, bro, see what one, long time later, what one?
Yeah, bro. You know, so me day in that place, no?
What do you mean a day in that place?
Yeah, man, me there yard, man.
Yeah, so hold on, so you have power that you kind of call me?
Yeah, my bro, you know, so I did me get deep, bro.
You get to what?
I did me get deep, man. Boy, ice them pick me up and thing, you know? So they send back a yard, you know?
So which part of yard there now?
You know, so me just run off a plane, I be asleep on the plane to see me.
Oh, say the airport?
Yeah, man, just forward down, man.
So hold on, so where do I want to? Want to party up?
Yeah, man, my bro, because you know things set already. Place look different and thing, though. Well, different, you know? Yeah, man.
Alright. No part. That you cannot touch, bro, I'm here.
Yeah, man, my bro, do that, man.
Alright.
Alright. Yeah, man. Yeah, we can go over there for the tree.
Yo, bro, J.
That's in the ripe one.
Forward runner.
Yeah, my bro.
Yo, how you look, so brother?
How me look, man?
Come in, man, like life hard over someone.
Boy.
Yo, what question? Big man thing. I know say me no really link regular when you're up, so. But me think say by now you done straighten up and everything, brother.
And bro, I that me try for do long. I must have banana boat me go out pan, you know. So me documents all them things for sure. How me reach in the country. You see me? It's a process. So I just get caught in the process. You know them things they go.
Alright, General. Alright, here we do. You can't go and block off from my place, you know. I don't really don't know where my woman got things still, but not even worry about that. We can go and blocks off my place until you straighten up yourselves, in?
Yeah, man.
Bro, come in, man. Be a stranger, brother. Come in, man.
Say, place is sir.
Hey, come in, man.
Alright, bro. So here we go on. I have a bounce in and set, you know. I don't know a one room and thing and
Yeah, it's a city here.
yeah man, this is a set here.
Aye. That's why I love foreign, you know. Love Mary Maca, you know. Anyways, I used to them style, you know, but you work with it, man.
Big man thing still, I mean, I really say nothing bad still, but not about accent, look at accent you could even pick up.
Accent? Nah, man, big brother, man. What kind of accent you have? So you're full-blown Jamaican, you know. Anywhere me go, I'm a Jamaican.
Alright, so you are going, but never really say nothing to moms, you know. Because you call me sudden. Whenever I expect you something, I don't even get no time to really make sure you know say I go far away.
You want kind of no like forward in a place. Announce, you know, like forward unannounced. Yeah, man, because can't trust people nowadays, you know.
Alright. I understand, but yo, we not really rub nothing in your face or nothing still. But big man thing. 10 years already have friends now, bro. I feel like you couldn't even find a white woman and marry her or something and straighten up yourself, bro. You know you have to make it come down to this, you know?
You feel like, you feel like foreign a better rose. You know what thing you out there do? Some people, some people more wild, you know. That's why I think, yo, I'm sorry to me have a link to you, know. I can't style me to you.
Bro, I know you take it thing personal, brother, but I just have to just be real and be honest with you. But alright, yeah. I not too dwell upon that, so you are going on.
Bro, some people feel like so when you left and go foreign. A boat me go upon them, you think a visa? Remember saying, bro, my record never good at all, you know. Much time I try to get visa, you know, and get denied, you know. I have to jump on a boat. I mean, 10 years, I try to make life. You know what time I have seen my people choke. You know what things people do me, bro? How much work I try to go upon. No time I try to style and tell me say, yo, you're immigrant, you know. You send up make ice hard for you all them sitting there, bro.
Alright, we now make a big deal out of it. Question. What you plan to do?
But me I go on black sit for a while, because, you know, say, to tell you the truth, I have some money stash over what's up. But, yes, I go on, eat a little time, and make a call, and make them wire come my yard.
Alright,
So, you don't have to worry about nothing at all, man. But there you see me, I can buy food, put in the house. You see me, if I rent here, pay or whatsoever, I don't know. You see me? And like someone I go leech for you on them thing there.
Alright. I don't to make a big fuss over it. You just forward in that place and thing. You go up on the road, go run some taxi and so. Find thing, look more, just make yourself at home, see?
Yeah, man.
Alright, look me.
Yeah, man. Respect everything, see me, you know?
Sheldon.
Oh, girl.
Hi.
How old is you?
What's going on?
Mean, what's going on? You not with me?
I mean, I didn't know you was coming.
You never know. So you even never tell you?
No, you did not.
I must sleepy, man. We're there, man. We're there upon the girl, you know?
So where is David?
You know, saying I must go and do some taxi business. A taxi work, you know?
Right.
Yeah, man. There upon the girl, you know? Just flying and thing. I'm actually picking up from the airport. And came in.
Okay, so he knew that you Okay, alright.
So I don't live in the same house.
But I did not know. I didn't know. Are you staying here?
You know, not really, you know, cause just me feel like going 2 days or so. But me just fresh off my house, you know. Real clothes me actually coming in.
Okay, so
It's my time here, Maka too stressful, man. Need a vacation. You know, so I must log on vacation after work. Same day me left with my TV guy.
right. Okay. Feel comfortable. You're not a stranger. Make a call.
Alright, no problem. Yeah, man, I'm soon checking a hotel or something like, Airbnb or something.
Hello? How far from home are you? Oh, alright. I need to talk to you, so come here.
What going on, babes?
What the hell is going on?
Start up, my brother.
Yes, David, your brother.
Alright. You know, say, he just called me sudden while me on the road and something come pick me up from the airport. Because honestly, I even didn't know say my forward. Him something come pick him up and through me just pick him up and just drop him off there and just go on back on the road run some taxi. I don't even get a chance to call her and say, yo, babes, Ray.
Okay, because I think you know, because you say, how you not tell me, you know, so we've been busy when I get the chance to clean the place, go get grocery and nothing, so.
No, he never said nothing to me.
Alright, it don't matter, it's fine. Me just think you know, never tell me. Me did talk to him and him just I got there for 2 days, so that's okay. I guess you're tired of overseas.
Well, I'm gonna live with you and tell you the truth, babes, you see me? You know what I'm not really sorry go for it. Well, really and truly, I'm not sorry go. I dip in get dip.
Alright, so that we are start off on a bad start already. He might lie to me. So you get deep.
No, but now say I lie to you, babe. But to be honest, and not everybody comfortable with the whole idea of being a deported. So probably you just never want to say that to yourself.
No, David. We are together, so obviously you're going to tell me and him there. So him being here for 2 days, which part am I going to leave and go?
Alright, let me see if I can take you in a stages and tell you. Him get deep and I just tell him so you can go and black snipe set if you have a few days until he straighten up him thing. You see me? I know some I did for reason with you and tell you. As I say everything happens so fast. But there are plans when I come home from work and I forward in this evening. But I just give you a full 100.
David, you can't make them it's a brother, so I understand, but you can't make these decisions on your own. We don't have space to accommodate somebody.
I'm a brother and he don't know where else to go, so he just always go and build for the city until he straighten up him thing.
I understand, say, you're your brother, and you kind of never have no choice, because obviously you put up on the spot, but you should have never agreed to nothing until you talk to me, because we don't have space to accommodate nobody. And him being at the coach and we have to get up early in the morning, that I could just be chaotic.
Babes, no worry about it. You understand the situation. You understand? And that's me I try to explain to you. I'm not like Sheldon, I'm a troublemaker, you to give no problem. It's just that in there fine, never straight, and get deep and in the backyard.
Well, let's just hope that's it, because I've never met a brother. Me adjusting to some... This is so wrong. This is a lot for me.
I understand, man. No worry about you, man. You understand? I'm a little brother and you respect me, so somebody will make you talk to anything when I say goes.
Fine, I guess we'll figure something out.
Alright, don't worry about it.
General. How they going?
How are you?
No, some man with a bills for the box. They can put you on for money.
You out to your place, man. You must say. Then box a difference thing. Just Cook a money night, man, like, yes, sir.
Okay.
Well, then again, pick
So
your packs
then-
and feed lucky for.
Yeah, man, kaya mo di pa na wana.
Right?
Yeah, man.
Just say put the money.
Oh, so I slot thing them.
Yeah, man, I. Brother, where you come from? Are you in the prison there?
No, man, you know, say. I'm here back when they do.
Wait,
Yeah, go just a fall back in. Foreign, man.
Come for it.
Yeah, man.
Come, boy. Pick up yourself, man.
Yeah,
You
man.
know, a long time I fly out and see different kind of, culture, what they, Because me have some family members, most time in far where them tell me about this and tell me about that, or food cheap and all them. Play
Yeah,
back
man.
still, brother. You never can tell anything can go on.
So for true, man. Now that I'm used to, but guess what? The box are different from me know from them time, you see me?
Yeah.
I'm used to the one where you lick it, you put it in a middle. So if
Fire
you
upon
take
a
it and go,
lick.
aye.
No,
See me?
you know? Burn up. But here I go on. Just
Ah, okay,
play
ah,
what I
okay.
go on.
Yeah, man.
You bet. Same so, yeah.
Yeah.
Go on
But,
again, go on again.
So you say deal, so those deal it.
Yeah, man, deal it.
Okay.
Yeah, man. Go on, do your thing, man.
Okay.
You never can tell. Beginner's choice and luck is
Yeah,
always.
man. Look good, man. Bet. So deal again.
Yeah, man, go again.
So 1 to 6, that's all.
Bombard, brother!
Oh.
You know how long one jackpot?
Yes,
Brother,
sir.
say jackpot, look on the box, bro.
Yes, sir. I lie at him.
$25,000.
I lie at him.
Just like that, bro.
Jackpot. Yo.
Lucky, man. We'll take some beginner's luck, bro.
Oh, you mean, man? Oh, you mean, man?
Yo, the man with the jackpot in the general.
Come here and say, yo. You see call attendant company. So that's
Yo,
about,
hear me I say, though. Say,
yeah, if a mash machine.
just call the money, man. Everything good, man. Call the man. Say.
Yeah, man. Yeah, call it.
So Jody, engagement popping up. I mean, no hear no date when the wedding a go on. When I wedding come, me want cake for eat, girl.
Auntie, man, I'm actually just talked to David about this the other day. And I must have to give him some time because I know a financial situation or whatever. So I rush not up on it, but it I got happen. I actually do want your opinion for something. So you know, most of David family them do there and him little brother overseas. Well, him not overseas no more. Auntie, you can't tell nobody this, you know. Nobody.
Cannot you tell me it?
No, you can't tell nobody because I know you stay. Don't tell nobody.
I'm not tell nobody.
Alright, so him get deep. And him there at the apartment. And I don't know, I just feel like I don't want a good idea.
Where just say? In there the apartment. Over apartment. Where you wanna live?
Yeah.
Yeah, your man will engage you. In brother. Wait, I don't understand. Jody. When you come down vacation, you come to stay and 1 little 2 weeks on the yard and then, oh yeah, you can't stay there, man.
Auntie, no. He came unexpectedly, like me there, me I come from work and me just see him in the couch. Me ask him what am there, him tell me say in there for vacation. When I speak to David say him get deep and him gonna stay at the apartment for you.
Deep.
Yeah.
So, hold on there. So David, aware say him brother come stay for good, like for live. When a living come there for live?
Well, that's not possible. But David,
It's not possible.
Auntie.
Are you going to see him cock up in a couch and sit? Oh, you see the fun, let me tell you something, my niece. I'm going to tell you something. I don't think I stay bad for say this. You see this family thing? Me no in it. Me no like it none tall. What me just say? Me no like it none tall. Number one, I not even say one girl. You know, like one woman where you and her could have get along and something. You and your man go take in for your man, brother, they know. Maybe you go cause problem up there. Little more from this. You and your man start catch up. Say, in ear say, fee brother and you in a things. Be careful. Or, you can start tell lie upon you. Well, how long since in there foreign? Because I know every one of them is left from you and go foreign. They live no life over there, you know.
Brace yourself. 10 years.
10 years?
10 years.
And he no look about paper, nothing at all, or try to find one woman and married and get in stay and sitting.
Which is why I'm confused.
10
I
years?
don't understand.
He should have green card and he look about citizenship. Like, seriously, me not understand something wrong. I want
Yeah,
to
because if he overseas are wasting time, what am I going to come here and do? Nothing no there.
better stay over
There's
there.
so much you could do overseas. There's so much you could accomplish in come here now. I just feel like this not going to turn out right. But like me say, me just have to give that
Something in a something. He no come back with nothing at all. So he no get no work. For the whole 10 years in the day, no work, he no send no money at all, come back a yard.
Not even dollar, not even much clothes, you know, come back.
No go so. He must did a work and have some money over there sitting. I wonder if he did involve in a drugs or sitting. Cause me not understand. 10 years and come back with nothing at all. No man, they must see you behind him. Sitting wrong. So we feel man and say about it, I'll do him, brother.
In very collective situation, he might try to help out and encourage him brother and make a better situation, I guess.
I want thing me I want you, you know. Just be careful. Cause me tell you before, this family thing, come live in my yard and me live with my man. Me not in a that.
Yeah, man, a 50 ball can work. We dance. Hold on, I'm soon call about.
Yo, respect in general.
Yeah, me, man.
Respect show me work.
Come on.
Yeah, man.
Soon show the back, yeah? Yo, you know you think about your bad dog. Eh?
Yeah, man, because you have a look on thing.
No, you are going. It's normally when you win a jackpot and you
Yeah.
sit there, you have to share the wealth and sit and rule in a place. You know. If you look up in the side part,
Oh, so you go.
you see, yeah, man, you have to help out who there and who not there, you know.
Man, anything, man, my bro.
Man, yeah.
You know, things it's already.
Anything, brother.
Simple thing that, man. You see it? Just go and hold on for this still. You see me? Yeah, man. Now a nice place too. Good view on river and everything, you know? Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, but I just say, yo, I say find a come from and something though.
Yeah, man.
Even though the money small, everything goes through. You know what I mean? Yo, it's a good youth, man. Because me as a normal still, you know, some people don't give him less than this as a phone. You know, it's a youth where, you know, freaking with the place and just there about all the vibes. You know what I think, man?
Yeah.
Saying, but me I say, foreign life. You know? I don't really want to know more about that. What you say?
Oh, yeah, man. Mary Maca good, man. I hold it back. Yeah.
Alright.
All the casino up there and things, see. But, you know, say, my apartment me there right now, I go and relax, isn't me? My apartment still, so.
Your place.
Yeah, man, but my brother and him mom's there.
Yo, take my number there. Take my number, because you are going.
Yeah,
You
man.
push come and shove, we can link up on us. All of one vibe. You know what I mean?
Yeah, man, I mean, man.
You're a good youth. You're a good youth, man.
And can get your papers, them, and thing. See me. You see me?
Yo, so the I name?
You know, say Sheldon, though.
Sheldon.
Yeah, man, but they call me Shells in the street, you know?
Oh, yeah, man. That's
Yeah, man, one Shells, man.
You don't know,
So
sir.
you name?
Scully. You know what I mean? Yo, I'm going to link you up, man. Because you're eye youth.
Yeah, man.
Because you heard me have a little start over. Because he's a boy where, you know, hustle lifestyle. Big up yourself. See it, sir?
Yeah, man.
Big up, Sheldon.
Go and boost up with that support, you know?
Alright, do your thing.
If they not pay me if you promote anything about, that's how you go.
See bike taxi, you know. One more want to move, you know. Ready right now.
Yo, I wanna move. Two and move. Sav.
So yo, you know put on red plate on the bus. You not afraid of them, the Babylon boy there?
Red plate too expensive.
Boy, you right now better you safe, you know. Than sorry when the police then tap you know, and put it on record, you know.
But listen, man, for me boy, them don't get man. Anybody, anyone at police them there, just give them a thing and keep it moving. It's cheap.
But every time I can go so. Me not like police, you know. Me and no police and a friend, you know.
True still, but me I go and do what me have to do. But here I go on. I want to show you a little premiums. You know, some little brother forward in from foreign.
All I tell. When he forward down.
Boy, I wish me like you. You're so excited.
What go on?
And I really forward down. I dip in, you know.
You get what?
Man, get deep, brother.
You mean like when he fall down, he go get deep like baptized and something? I'm glad for him, man. I'm glad for him.
No, I'm sure you are going.
Oh.
Remember I said when he left Jamaica, you know, a boat in go up on, you know.
Backside.
Yeah, he go up on the boat and
See,
ice.
so me saying can't go back over there?
No, bro, ice hold him and send him back on the yard, brother.
Sure, you would.
Send him back in that place. And I go and rest on my foot with me and my woman, you see me?
With you and your who?
He end up at my place, I go and bounce it till he straighten up himself, you see me?
Boy, you know say, I hear life still what me just a say something, you know. You know say all that man there your brother. You know say you have to watch what you do. You have to watch what you do round, with him around there, you know. I pay a problem the man they create, you know.
Listen, man, son, man, them man they change, bro.
What you
Man,
say?
man they got a friend and change, bro. Man, they depend on that again.
Yo, that the man they not change and will never change. I mean, he adjust. He go foreign and adjust. And now come back down here with the same dirty style when it have.
Yo, I'm a brother and brother. I'm a brother. So right now, I just have to just do what I can do for him. And I'm a little brother too, so
Aye.
what me I go do? Me make him sleep what I do?
Well, if you say you just make in there your foot till something can go on, but by an idea, you have to just watch him and make sure say not pretend no problem.
That me I do, man. You see me? Just
Right.
go and do what I can
So
do for
listen,
him,
man, I
man.
get passenger. Mama, hey, you know see me? What kind of style that? Yo, me tell you about them a passenger and you know.
Yo,
I'm a passenger, you know.
Go on for your
And in Japan,
Go on for
me
your
so talk to you, because see me all a loose passenger, yeah, man. Ready, see me, you know, ready by taxi, you know. Wanna move, you know.
And dog, the place look decent, man.
Yeah, man. Don't know what things said. Hard work, you know, man.
I tell you, I that you have to do, brother, because you know, you see.
No joke.
And my style, I tell you, see that.
See, man.
My style, that brother, because, you know, like my place set up, you know, proper. If you say, I want to no lazy, brother, you must say, man, to post still, because my things are different, you know. So the place that number, you're not beer in that place.
I mean, man,
Hennessy
a
or
beer,
something.
man.
What do you mean? Give me, if I that ever that,
A
yeah.
beer, man, beer there upon the house, man.
Life is worth the living, man. Life.
Whole heap of beer, man. Red Stripe beer.
But
Yeah, man.
life and living like you wait. And a lighter sitting
I
can
tell you,
pull.
man. No, say me not smoke, don't have no lighter.
Go for one.
No lighter.
Go for your spoon or something, man. Anything my lighter.
You know, say a fork, I find out.
Anything did man. Everything
Yeah,
did.
man.
No
If it
thing
talk,
set,
man.
brother. But on a real big man level, you know. I show you a praise. See? See you again. See every time.
Whole heap of beer, me say,
Man
me
has
never
respect.
kind of man. Whole heap
Man
of
has
beer,
respect.
Cola beer, Coca-Cola beer, all kind of beer. Next day beer, you have to run thing, you can't turn up.
But that, hear me I say now. You have a little thing I can deal with you to make some serious cash, you know. Because I say you're there now, you know. So
Yes,
how
sir.
you plan for really maintain a place, yeah? 'Cause people that think say I just have things, you know, but I have to maintain the things we have. So I know, you know, you stay.
And the Spanish you talk or Chinese, you know.
And I'm
My
done.
language you talk, you know.
I'm don't tell you, brother, you are going now. And nothing illegal like that. Face the boy, you're going to lose a life. You answer me, I say nothing too risky certain way. I just want easy one.
Everything in
trade.
life is a risk, man.
Man, now hear me. I say up to it. What you say?
Long time.
Alright. That more here. Have to be maintained to a certain level.
Sheldon, give me a minute.
I see that.
Give me a minute.
Oh, you want to come have a drink?
No, I want to talk to you like now.
My dog make my tough case of dog. That's your
man.
place, man.
She good, man.
She,
In-law, man.
in-law them. So,
Yeah, man. Brother David.
yo,
Mom's, man.
watch him, brother, cause you know, face them, wait. You know,
Yeah, forward.
What do you think there?
Yeah, man. So far. What going on, sis? Somebody did it?
Out of all of the people when you could have carried in the house, you carried Melvin in the house.
Yeah, that. My friends call you attack. Man, here, you know.
What do you mean?
My friends call you that.
Oh, that thing tell you?
Yeah, I'm bridging from when, man.
Which part you know Scully from?
No, Scully long before. No disrespect. No, Scully long time before me know your sis. Yeah, talk about.
You just know me when you know, when you
Before me got married, my man, you know this a year.
It doesn't matter. It does not matter. You feel like that was okay to bring somebody in the house? I bet you they bring one female in here than bring Melvin in here.
Yeah, talk about sis. You sound like an insult. I'm bridging, you know. Before the man knows me forward from foreigners and say, come check me. So, what's the problem?
You don't see problem. You don't see the problem.
What's
You
the
say
problem?
you know Melvin from before you got foreign. So obviously you know the things they were incapable of and the things they remember. Do Melvin is a known criminal. You have to know that.
Who tell you them something, sis?
Listen, me not sis. You know, earn a brother title and call me a sis. Me don't understand where you're depend, but you need to get your act
Then my
together.
brother place me can call her sister and my sister-in-law.
It's your brother place? What do you mean by your brother place? Because the last time I checked, I told we named up on the list, I told we pay for this. So what do you mean? You try be smart with me? No. Get your act together. That's all me ask. Because me don't understand the behavior, honestly.
Right, me can't call her sis. You're overreact, lady.
Right.
You're overreact.
You know what, I'm going to talk to your brother about this. Because you don't have no level of reasoning.
Brother good man. Brother, I know everything going on. Just start drink my beer and thing.
But dog, you have to be careful how woman talk to you, because some woman, them go on like them want style in, brother. I must have few places. You can't make sure talk so long, one day I'm going to walk out long time.
Bro, she alright, you know. You see me? Because don't tell me if you stay in a place already. I just because of my brother, you know.
Brother, I'm tell you something. Sometimes you have to run with your brother to you. That me I tell you.
Because so female when I see them entitled more while, you know.
That, you know, him now, yo, you see if him not put her in her place, she go feel away. But if you not put them in a for them place, cause fear place this, that are the style that go on. Man, a lot of people paying brother talk certain things like saying a fear place.
You see me?
Brother, yo.
I tell her, I said, tone long your voice, man. She
You see me? You see me? Me run my thing there. And I know say a real article you from morning. And you kind of calm sometimes, but there's a time when you have to just know when to put the calm aside.
Yo, Sheldon, how you do with your son? How you do with your son?
So you may have it pando. But see, you put me in your place, you know, bro. You see me? As a matter of fact, I not even plan to stay long. You see me? Because I see me get to an Airbnb or something, but I just work on some money and thing. But for your woman right now, can't do that, you know, because she do me some way like say, me a boy. You see me? And I talk to me some way. I say, you're my brother, I know her from nowhere, you know.
Hold on. Let me see it straight. So, she just out of the blue just start deal that way you want.
Just because I know say you're a person, we don't have an agreement and so, need to put her in her place because she don't want disrespect her, you know.
Alright, you may go do. Me go talk to her because you're my brother, but she also my woman. So at least I have to at least find a common ground. You see me? I mean, nah, deal no way nah, nothing, and I have to know me and say to her because my woman has me say. You see me? So know yourself, me go deal with it. See?
That's how you think, man. I say I tell you I like people place now, my bro. But me have to do my thing, see me. You see me?
Alright.
Just do what you have to do.
Alright, don't go chat to her.
Alright.
Babes. Yeah, a minute there. You know, so Sheldon just see me downstairs. I'm not telling me say, you're showing bad face. I know say you never want him there from the beginning, but you have to remember say I'm my brother. And nobody now gonna want to feel comfortable for their one place and somebody are showing them bad face.
What do you mean by me never wanting here? Me never know see your brother come here in the first place.
Yeah, but we think we get past that already.
First of all, what your brother tell you? That those are lies. So him tell you all of that and him still miss the part when him carry Melvin in the house?
In the what?
Oh, see your brother not tell you that, but he go come to you and tell like I'm say me I show him bad face. When me show him bad face?
Me never know that part there. Because he never said that part there to me. He only tell me say you are showing bad face.
This is going to become one situation where you have to go turn a referee or you have to go continuously a pick side. Because it feels like that right now. Because you're going to tell me, say me never wanted me in the first place. How we come to that?
Alright. Here me go do. Me go talk to him again. Because I never know that part there. I think really and truly say, at the end there, and
whatever, you see me?
David, your brother cannot stay here.
Alright, hear me good. We're gonna jump to the decision right now. Let me talk to him and see if we can sort this out.
Oh. See, Mr. Paul, I say, whatever I'm come to you, come say a lie.
No, I'm not Mr. Party, but I say I gotta address it with him.
So what kind of talk to you? I gotta talk to your brother. Mind you, when he first come here, I talk to him, he tell me lie, I know him tell lie for me,
I understand all of that, but you have to bear in mind, my brother don't really have nobody else to turn to, I'm the only person having.
Which is why he's supposed to stay humble and make things work. He might do all of the wrong things, them.
I'm going to hold a real serious talk with him. I'm going to talk to him. Yo, Sheldon, slow down some chat to you.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Alright. Hey, bro.
Sheldon, me and brother, you know. See?
What that, man?
And me expect say you're gonna be straightforward with me.
You mean, man?
Because
straightforward, man.
Hear me or something, that's why you listen. Because since you come here, be a little lie I tell no brother. I'm gonna appreciate that. See? Now, me take you in, see? And out of everybody on the street, you're carrying Melvin on my place, dog. And then give me an impression like say, my woman I deal with a certain way. See? Meanwhile, a Melvin you're carrying and she talk to you about it and make it be a big deal. So hear me I go say, brother. Me a brother and me hate for I play referee between you and my woman and you being in my place. So hear me I say. Just try hold your head down, bro. You done get deep already and you try start a life over. Hold your head down and try get a thing together, brother. You better right now, me and appreciate better you make me use all my bus. And take out the next bus and make you run some taxi. Even though a white plate me run, me have give police money. So you could probably do the same thing if me get a bus for you.
Do a taxi? No, bro, I'm not them taxi business, right? You see me? But your mom say no, say yo, a business me and Melvin when I talk about.
Yeah, but you know, a matter of fact, what kind of business you have Melvin for you talk about? Melvin a thief, you know, brother.
Legitimate business, man.
Yeah, me I go tell you, say. Me a brother, me a big man, I mean I need to talk to you certain way. Just as long as you're in my place, bro, me expect you say, you feel just go and lay low, bro, until you can straighten up yourself. You see me? And this Melvin thing, you need to lower up Melvin, bro. Melvin a criminal. So we're up on the same page, huh?
Yeah, man, same page, man.
Alright, but just want to know so we're up on the same page, see?
That is it.
Morning. But it's not easy, Sheldon.
I'll go in the remote, yeah.
You not see me I watch the TV? Me I talk to you, you know? You come in here, see me watch the TV, you walk past me. Me say morning and the auntie take a promote and I change the stuff, and you see me watch it. What can I go so?
I told you about bad vibes to do, you know. Like I said, them set up on me. Come here, say from before, I be a bad energy. When you find a bad energy thing. That me I tell you. Some two like people place.
So why you there then, Sheldon? Because the last time I check a 2 days supposed to spend. You overstay and you day near act like say people obligated to you.
I go like a your place.
A Ufa place. A Ufa place.
You married to my brother. Must say blood thicker than water, you know. So you hype up for yourself.
Alright, I'm not gonna go back and forth today because you not make sense right now.
As a matter of fact, this is an old show upon Richard Brown films. Much time watch this, sir.
It does not matter. You come in and see me and watch the TV. You ask if you can change it or not. You know, just take up the remote and skip it. Obviously, I watch it while I sit down in front of it.
A wicked pastor want watch. I knew one that. Yeah, I'm just back on the street now, cause you see, when I go say something, I'm gonna regret. I know how you feel a bit. Who you man?
What is life without money? That is like bees without honey.
Big man ball game.
Can me get you what left?
Alright, so this is one I know, you know. All hands on deck, you know what I mean? Come me win, so me play. Big man ball game. Big man ball game.
Long time, man. Long time.
Big man ball game. Big man ball game. You know your thing set already. So it's ready again. Ready again.
I feel like you're a thief again, you know.
Come for thief forgive and you see game right in front of you. Eh?
That
Come
me
for
want-
thief something what you look
go on
pan.
too.
Brother, it's the fear vibes. Your house are coming in rubbish thing, brother. That's the minute let you alright. Yo. Think good man. Where's ready
Go on
again?
play, man.
Yeah,
Go
man.
on play. Go on
Eh?
play.
Double or nothing, man.
Go on play. Come in a thief in game.
Yo, no thief in now. When I hear my traffic insinuate a thief in now. Go
Man, we
on.
are player, we are
Where's
player.
the deal with?
No go on play, man. No go on play.
How what? You know my money?
Give it to him. I have to go draw some cash.
Don't do that then, man, and forward, brother. Yo, Sheldon, big man ball game with you.
Yeah, man. Big man.
Go on,
ball
murder,
game.
boy.
Check
Yo,
him
put the
back,
money
man.
on the deck, bro. Come in now, talking. Yo,
Alright,
so we link up.
Yeah, man.
Double or nothing. Big man ball game. Ain't gone?
Yeah, man, ain't gone, man.
Brother, me I tell you right now. If you know what I'm saying. Man, I go on like you know money, dog. I want to see your money, you know, because foreign him come from. But that's the worst thing about it.
So, bro,
I mean-
we are play a game with Brock, man.
Brother, him man not broke, him man have money. Man have his own apartment and them sitting there. When he run certain things. And I wish them there play little things and the man jackpot turn 25,000, give me 3,000 out I end up as buy all 2 juice and then sitting there and then in shub. So, you know what I mean? We can, things can go on, money can make out of the youth. I tell you, foreigner, you know you go already. No broke foreigner not there. How what? I dip him, I dip him.
Ready play any him?
I dip him, yeah. You know the thing go. So big man ball game. This is one I'm afraid of when you're not gambling one there.
Big bro.
Actually,
No.
what there, man, we are doing yourself.
So you me go and check door. Me I walk past and I see you. Me wonder which part I park you there, you know.
What's so important when you couldn't wait till me come up?
This is an urgent thing though, very important, you know.
Yeah, you want me to know?
Yeah man. It's a money me come to borrow from you though, you know.
Borrow money from me for do.
Yeah man, you know say I have to give my passport because I really want to work, you know.
But you don't need a passport for the work. You can just look for your voter's ID and use that.
Yeah man, but you know say voters ID that will take 6 months because then 10 minutes I go office. I can't wait till 6 months. I can't sit down on your couch for 6 months. I have to get something done. I have to get enrolled into a job as soon as possible.
Alright, but you what? You can't leave the machine now, you see me?
Oh. Yeah man, then you say you can't give me card man. I'm going to drive a machine.
Bro, I can't just give me card, so bro. I say card is a private thing, bro, like one man to a card.
You know that still. You don't know anything gonna like say me I will give nobody a card or share a card in for or them something. So I make it withdraw and get things done.
Only draw 20 grand, not more than 20 grand, bro.
Yeah man, 20.
Alright, so what is it? And the pin number 2255. Yeah, that's 2255.
Yeah man, 2255.
Alright, I only draw 20 grand, you know.
Yeah man, 20 that me say man.
Alright, do it how you do then. Look more just make me get back the card.
Alright, me go and get it done and thing.
Alright.
So check in man.
Auntie Shanika,
Yeah.
look here. Aku.
Fam.
Well, I'm actually coming with problems.
And you look so happy.
Auntie, you know me not gonna really stress me like that. And from I come down here, I already feel one sense of relief already. But anyways, so with the whole brother story, it now work out.
Eh?
It now work out.
What happened now, my niece? What they want?
That little boy is troubled. And he don't care about nobody else.
A little boy or a big man?
A big man, but he now act like a big man. He don't know if he coexist. He don't know if he be a man. Like he act like a parasite.
Jesus.
And it's horrible and he don't listen. And respect, he don't have. He don't care. And I just know me and David relationship done.
Here you know
because
God.
all of this are gonna come between we sooner or later. I tell you. I'm already feel it to come because every single time I go to David and I try to explain one particular situation, he brush it off. He try to make the best of the situation. So me kind of fed up. I don't know what to do. But I try to have faith in him. But this man, every time go on, who am I if you tell him to leave? You know? I don't know. Like in the end of the house, I not say him not to eat, but he might overdo it. He's not providing, he never yet contribute. And when I tell you nothing cannot stay in the house, nothing no stay in the house.
Jody, I did warn you. I warn you from the first time you come to me and tell me about this brother cock up there in a couch. I warn you about family thing. I did tell you. I tell you about you take it for joke. No, you approve it for yourself. How old him now? Because I don't know him now. I don't know your man David.
I think him around 29, 28 years.
I'm not even know saying you have no brother. 29, 30, like seriously?
Yeah.
And they act childish so? A pitney?
Me think him a try be petty.
So,
I feel that.
Wait there. Hold on pan the petty part there. Stick up in. Jody, you love David?
Yes.
You realize that you and David get engaged and soon married? So, Jody, you really... No, I have no idiot niece. You could never so fool. Jody, you really are going to sit down and make one brother we get deep from where you were. Me no business when you went there. Come mash up you and your man life, like seriously.
Yeah, but what am I supposed to do?
What you mean?
Like,
what you supposed to do?
listen.
Talk to your man about it. It's either in... Listen to me. Not say nothing, just listen and do what I say. You see, if you did talk to your man about that old idiot from the first time and tell him, say, no, you're not accepting him in there, maybe this wouldn't happen right now. But through your heart, soft. And you say, I don't know where to go. Well, I understand still, you know. I don't say where to run him out. But since I didn't go on so, you need to put him out. You need to talk to your man. Talk to your man about this. Even if he's aware of it, sit down and talk to him. One away. Confront him with it and make him know so you feel uncomfortable with the situation. You do not like what him brother they do. He might not pick me. And if you go look work, so him plan to live there forever. Look more from this and start put argument to you, make your man catch up. Run him out!
You know hear half a story yet, you know. One day me I come from work. I know who me go in the house to see.
Oh.
Melvin.
I lie you they tell. Couldn't... Jesus Christ, I could never Melvin. Dirty Melvin when me know for a long time Melvin a no good smaddy.
Me give up.
Melvin a criminal. So what your brother say about it? Are you the maid up there?
Everything in try if you look over it and make the best of the situation. Something spilling in the fridge. Oh, maybe a mistake you never realize.
I told David soft. Call David one side and talk to him.
I want last talk to him after that. I gotta do it for me and David here because me really don't want to lose what we have. No, this is not right. Auntie, me I go catch up with you later. I have something I forgot to deal with. So, thanks for listening.
Alright.
Later.
Yeah,
Wish we could have stayed for some of my food, but...
It's alright. One next time.
Oh, go on, no babes, alright?
David, me not like how you have me in a dark sometime, you know.
What you talk about?
Why $100,000 come off a joint account?
What question? What just like what I go?
$100,000, David.
100,000. Oh, okay. Yeah, so, but yeah, so when me dip on the road today, transport authority stopped me and they didn't want to take away bus. And I couldn't afford that for that happen. So I just got a machine and just draw 100,000 and just see if I could just give them and get back the bus.
So if I use the money, why you ask me how much money?
Because sometimes I don't know if I nobody, I say nowadays everybody a scam off of people card them and sometimes you have your card and money draw off and you don't know. So I just want kind of have an idea for you know say I only 100,000 I spend. And you know say if that happen you nah get no back your money from bank. You understand? So that's why I ask. But don't worry yourself about that man. 3 trip on it, I mean not 3 trip but 3 days on the road. Make back 100,000 man.
David, this is just carelessness. Because I tell you over and over, say sort out. What stop you from sort out the bus? Nothing.
Babes, red plate expensive you know.
But the $100,000 way you take, David, just start out the bus. Please and thanks.
Alright. Don't worry about it, man. Don't worry about it. I go sort out it. So don't worry about it, man. Not stress about it. Just quick time me make back that money. You see me?
Yeah, but you're still a lose now because the $100,000
Alright,
way you
here
take.
me I go do. I go hustle up back your money, hustle up your money for red plate it and do everything, man. Yo, Sheldon.
Yo, go on.
Yo, give me card, man.
Oh. Do you remember about it, you know?
Brother, you don't tell me say 20 grand you use off my card?
Yeah, man, you know. Oh. You know, say, a simple thing that, bro, man, a simple thing. You don't know what go on. I tell you what go on. You know, say, after I give you the passport and thing, you see me? Meet and bridging. Same time, nice place. I say, yo, I can get a visa, you know. Process and everything, you know, what you have to pay. You know, 80,000. You see me?
Yo, bro.
So, me have to get it.
Sheldon. You make me have to lie to my woman, no, brother. You make me have to tell my woman, say, and me taking money to take a transport authority. Brother, I tell her to take 20 and you shouldn't go in on my account, bro. It's a giant account me and my woman have, you know. You shouldn't do that, brother. Right now, you make me lose trust in you, dog. And you get on my last nerves too, you know.
I mean, bro, you tell us, you know, get back my visa.
Get back visa. You remember say a dip you get? You remember say a dip you get?
Yeah, I remember say a dip, yes, but I show me see everything legit, me can go up on a legitimate.
It come like you are take him take you for idiot and you are trying to take me for idiot. Brother, hear me I go tell you say. I'm gonna make this slide, you know. Honestly to God, I'm gonna make it slide because I'm your brother. But you see next time you do some foolishness like this, bro.
What kind of foolishness, bro? What kind of foolishness?
Yo, yeah, me don't talk.
I tell you, say a visa, my bro.
Brother, me don't talk to you. Me don't talk to
Money
you.
a simple thing, you know, man.
How you feel?
Bro, right now, I sit more and get for consume. Money a simple thing, bro. You get back much
Everything
money.
good, man. Everything good.
You see me? But say, foreign me are going on, man.
But my soul run free. Listen.
Man, skulls them. You're gonna longer forward, oh, brother. So you go on, you know?
You remember the little work when I talk to you about and it's the ropes.
No, I don't remember still.
What I see it, man.
Alright. Alright. Right, too, you know?
So you wanna go and move over this little space.
Like one piece of gold at night water, there, so.
Goal.
Like some gold chain or something.
You see river and spirit and then sitting there alone, that alone here. Real world, on land we make money. Here we are going now. So, me have a little work right now.
Yeah.
Me need a vehicle to kind of pick up what me I pick up and move what me I move. You know what I mean? So me know if you have a link, cause Seriously, I see one bus park up, in a fair place there. After me, link and rate there, take me stop out of one girl and I give her some talk and I see one bus park. You know what I mean? A fair bus.
Yeah, man. What you mean, man? The boxy bus, white one.
Yeah, white box.
Yeah, man, for a vehicle, a simple thing that one.
Yeah, come and see one Rasta drive.
Yeah, man, I'm my brother that one. David.
Hey, brother.
Yeah, I give him run to robot taxi more while last week. So put a red paper on it still in the what. Even put in a juta. Go license up on thing.
Business,
Yeah,
brother.
man,
Bumper night.
business.
See what I say? Just organize it then and make, the dealer set my car. I say, it's a little pick up me and pick up, fresh cash,
No joke.
Yeah, man. So, you can deal by tomorrow.
If I even buy later.
If I later, then just make 2 phone calls
What's
and
the friend business a business in the man?
No, hold on, no.
Money have to make.
Money have to make that me talk about. Hold on. 1 second, man.
But I piece of thing I watch right there, so.
Brother, load that man. I tell you, load thing, you just still a
And everything I
pressure.
pick up gold still, for choo.
Here we are going.
Yeah, man, you must pick up, man. So, man.
Yo, bad dog, here we going. So, me now better forward tomorrow. This evening I forward. See?
Yeah.
This evening, you become one come pick up the thing then. You understand me? I say, the same thing then, man. I'm going to get one bus. You going to get the bus to start it out. You understand?
Oh.
Yeah, it's same one.
So you put all on my foot?
Yeah, brother. So you know, say, yeah.
Up
Up a birthday, alright. So you want me to say? So I start out fast and then shoot the see? Yeah.
Alright then.
Brother, just get everything in a bro, cause I say I don't want no situation where me have to rope. You understand me I say?
Yo, me dey on the road, me I try make a money, me so call about girl. Every time me I work here, torment me out. Sure.
Are you a woman?
Me can't bother them woman at some time, and I mean yard me I go to her, you know, and she a torment me for ask me what time me I come in. And me I work.
You're a big man, no man. You have to tap with your woman, you just say.
I don't like tormentation, man. She just a torment me, son.
Is that weird?
Messenger, them a move slow.
What's good, my bro?
Big up yourself, you know. You
Yes,
see a
my
touch
bro.
back, big up here.
Definitely, my bro, definitely.
Alright.
Yes, my bro. I wanna talk to you right now, right?
Not to speak like a foreign English.
So you say I want to know, bro.
You know, since a mission me get do.
You mean mission?
Alright, listen me also now. I know why you take me thing for joke, you know, my bro. Cause my time me feel like so you don't believe in me, you know. You know me?
I work, you know. So
You know, say I work here, but it's a work me I tell you about right now.
Eh?
We get a big charter.
Then if you get a
And
charter,
a
man,
big piece of food.
then come in with me care now.
No man, here I go on. As some tourists. You see me? Fly them, my people, they know from foreign. You see, they come here on them trust. I say, me a fame boy, you know. And they very skeptic.
So all you have to do is tell the people them say me your brother.
Alright, watch out now, my bro. I can't tell you nothing about guess what?
Alright, so hold on. So what you want me to do? You want me to give bus and you go?
That me have to go do.
So say you renew back your license?
Yeah man, me license renew for me forward down and thing man, cause I know so me go drive on this, so me have to renew it.
So me don't know nothing about that.
Alright my bro, and everything you have to know. You see me? And a secret still, but me have to make moves, see me.
Alright, here we are though. Let's see how much I'm pay you.
A US man, it's a US I get paid in the same way man, don't worry about that man.
Alright, here we are though. Alright, a key night. Let's go on.
Just a key in there.
Yeah, just to make nothing happen to you, boss, you know.
Oh my bro, you know I got this man.
Alright.
So your brother go to the bus.
You know I know say it's a short time. Man.
Is a what?
Brother, man get some white people to carry that night, you know.
So me can carry them.
Can man say brother, are some people from foreign we know and the people.
Well, every time I know them people there.
Number say man when they are foreign. So a man no want make it look like say you carry extra person, people ain't gonna feel timid and feel away like a robbery, bro.
And you believe that?
You know,
Your brother just come down from foreign, eh? And I do them the work there.
bro.
You might not sell in carry bus can sell you, that me I tell you.
You know, say that me not like you, you're just too negative, brother.
What you mean me negative?
You're negative, man. What man
Me and your friend and me I tell you the truth. You feel like you and my brother ain't afraid to sell it?
Yo, come on for that, man. Just wait till you see me with my US account out. Account out. At that time, you're going to believe in me and believe in me.
I can't tell you, you know. You see, whenever him forward back and you see him alone a forward without the bus, open a ball to me, you know.
Bro.
A ball to me.
Yeah, come on for that. Boy, you have to lift me on my yard.
Where you say where I go?
Drop me up, man.
Come like you're mad. You hear that? I you make your brother go on with the bus.
Yo, yeah, man. And I beg you to drop me up, you know.
No, you're talking.
Pay me, I pay you.
No, you're talking.
Yeah,
no,
man.
man, give me money for my move.
Yo, make a move,
What
right?
you mean?
Right,
Them a work you like, you know. Them a work you like.
Ah, me think some me you're a friend, bro.
Eh?
Me think some me you're a friend.
If I can afford near bus and get free drive. Me have to pay my money.
Alright, go on.
Come on.
Yeah, man.
Yo, brother, I say at one point, I said to myself, say, yo, I wonder if I'm not chicken out on anything, because I don't know you don't know me, but we are brethren. You understand me, I say? And sometime in life, what happen, have to happen. And it will take what it take. And you always go where you go.
Yeah, man.
You understand me, I say?
Mission active, man.
Yeah,
So,
man.
Good.
Yeah, man, you're active. I would have one to go here nice still, but yo,
Alright.
respect your eyes, still. Cause you know, we don't link up for my brethren, everything active, cause we are make a decent food. Yeah,
Man.
tomorrow you can buy back all two.
So you say your license good?
My license? Yeah, man. Active. Oh, I'm a drive.
You feel like you need to drive now, come and think of a license, you know.
You know license?
You are going. License or license?
Drive the
No,
car.
no license move vehicle.
No, that
See
brother.
me? Mission active see me, man. Get away driver for make it tire bone, you know.
Alright, so, ready?
Ready, man.
Alright, ready.
4D, man.
Yo,
So you say that go on now?
I gotta do that thing, man. As me done tell you what I go and say, yo, money I gonna make certain way. See? Don't turn off the car. Just keep the engine running.
Just keep in that truck.
You hear me say, brother? Just hear me I say, just keep the vehicle running. Same way, so.
Alright.
If push come to shove, you can put you on neutral. So me reach back, just put in a D and bam!
Alright, yeah, man. See through that, man. See through that. I want to try another good spot. Look, get at it, man. Get at it.
But dog!
Oh, go on.
Yeah, man.
You know, long me there wait for you, my general.
Mm.
I play Saturday thing hot, you know. Yo, me have everything, you know.
Mm.
But me I say, wait, you have the money first?
Brother, if you say me go forward and the money, bro. Yo, come and feel offended, man. Yo, apologize, brother. Eh?
No, man, money talk to them, my general.
Yeah, but you must see good, man.
Right.
Please, there, dog.
Yeah, look at that. Yo, you have to look at my place hot, you know. Fully loaded, you know.
Mm. Ready for your pay?
Yeah, man, I have money ready to go.
Yo, get up, man.
Yo, go on.
Yo, get up and drive the car, man. Drive the vehicle, brother.
Yo.
Brother, drive the vehicle. Turn on the light. Yo, drive the car, man. Drive now.
Yo,
Brother,
I don't even know you
brother,
get me.
drive.
Yo, okay, I mission. Yo, alright. Yeah, get away driver. No, make it tire bone, you know.
Yeah, man, Negril. Benny, give me two passenger them and put them in the bus. Boss, I put that seal me I go. You load up. All right. Negril. Mama with the cheese chip bag. Negril. Yeah, man, 2 for Negril.
Yo, David, come here. Where your vehicle? Come here now, man. Where your vehicle, brethren? Come on.
Officer Boss.
Just
Can't bother me, no
boss, man. The white. What? Not even that. That's not even a problem, boss.
The red plate soon look back, man.
Not even close. Not even close. That's not a problem, you know. You know some serious shit in a youth. Look here, man. I whole squad there come for you. I beg me to beg so for come for you in a class. For myself, personal.
Then when me do make you whole police force want come for me. I just look white plate me around now what that.
Hold on. Jesus Christ, man. Yo. You hear my boss, man? We did it last night.
When for the either me on the road or run or me there me yard run out I too.
Boss man, that same bus, that same license plate, they on camera fled that crime scene last night, boss man.
You sure say I'm my boss?
What do you mean if you sure say you're a bus, Virgin? License plate, same vehicle. David, where did it last night?
Remember sir, which part you have?
At 3 Miles River. You there at 3 Miles River?
Remember say a taxi me running now, so me could have just easily when me a go and or something me just drop off somebody. So I don't like say me do nothing wrong. I maybe boss you serious but I know me don't do nothing wrong.
You know some serious problem, you know. So you what? You have to go down a station now, boss. You go drive behind, you know. Straight to station. I'm not trying nothing funny, you know, boss, man.
Me not run go nowhere, man. Me I tell you honest truth. Me know me not do nothing. Me not lie.
You what, man? I'm me alone I go do this, you know. When you go down there, so, you have to answer to them down there. I carry myself, I carry down. Zita, you good?
Alright, yeah, man.
Alright. Go in the vehicle.
You know what I call you up here? You know my bro, I go on.
How you go with the bus last night?
I mean, me not going nowhere. No tourist I'm gonna pick up, man.
Yo.
How I go on?
Yo, stop taking me for idiot now, bro. Me and you know say I'm on tourist and you go pick up. You not even give me money out and on tourist money. Listen, man. You know a reason why make nobody feel a pocket. You know a reason why the police ain't call me up here. You tell me say you see my bus a speed off on crime scene last night, you know. So you could have hear some me in that me lock up.
Bless you, bro.
A lucky thing me quick on my foot. And me just tell him say, yo, a taxi me run. So good all drop off somebody so.
We say fear bus off a crime scene. Like
Sheldon, just level with me and tell me the truth, bro. I could have easily just tell them say, yo, I you me Lenny bus last night, you know. So just tell me exactly what going on, bro. So at least me will know if they come back to me, what if you tell them say.
So you see footage and lights with and everything?
Yo, bro, just stop asking me full question. Yo, Sheldon, yo. I lost straw this now, brother. I lost straw. So you me ever tell us, say, just go and take out your things out of my place. And just go on your ways. Because, brother, me see exactly say, you either gonna mash up my relationship or you gonna make me go to prison.
No, man, bro. What make you really think them thing there?
Yo, me don't talk to you, you know. Me don't talk to you. Me just go, my ways, and you go and take your things and come out of my place. Everything done right, yes, sir.
So they say they my bro. Search for me, I go stay.
Let me see that one now.
That's me there, though. Right now. I feel up on the lookout.
Yo, so what you really say that?
You mean him really say?
What you really say? Talk to me straight and plain, because I don't like corruption.
I tell you right now, so my brother informed for me.
Your brother?
What you mean, man?
Hold on, so your brother is the man where you put up in a fair place, then him your bus to drive, and he inform on your boy.
Watch you know. This is where it forward from. Because I'm there foreign. I send them money and them say, yo, just buy a bus and go and run it and thing. You see me?
Corrupt,
just because I license and he buy it in a female and insurance, everything in a female name.
So you feel like a female?
Assets to me man want. Money man right now, over to me left the place.
So you don't know about Bill?
Which Bill?
My mushy chop him in a beef bar. And that if you do. One box in a head back. And wake him up because sleep him asleep, brother. That me I tell you straight and plain.
Brother.
So what you say I do?
No, so I just tell my bloodline. I don't want to shot him in the foot or something.
You know what I'm doing? Why, yo, me I tell you, bro. Some people have to get lesson, you have to learn, you know. Because man sound ungrateful and bad mind.
That is it.
Me pump and scare. Me can't believe this all now.
Alright, now police hand to me. I have to lift up from the apartment, you know.
Police?
What do you mean?
Dog, you are
I
going.
don't even know from where I go.
Eh?
Right now, I tell you the truth.
Dog, me have a place, I say, but you know, unfinished. So you don't know, say, we can find a place for you to stay. Or yourself, man. You're a good youth, you know. And good youth have to get good treatment. You know what I mean? Because, as I say, ropes. You never have to help me fix start of the mission there. Everything good, man. Or yourself, everything now, man.
Yeah, man.
Alright. Forward, man.
Yeah, man.
Babe, you gotta go. Mr. Patrick the dog. Come and take me and go walk out there. David,
Eh?
want to see you?
You know, sir, to be honest, I kind of feel bad over the fact that me run out Sheldon. I know see me alone in have.
Listen to me, David. You can't constantly stress about the same thing over and over. At 3 days now, you look like this. You leave the breakfast out there, so you're not eating nothing. Last night, you're not eating nothing. How would that take a benefit you? You try your best with your brother, you know. And as much as me never want him here, if in the humble himself, everything would be okay. But your brother not humble and look upon the stress when put you know. Are you really there is stress about him?
I know, man, I know, but sometimes I feel like I can't help because at the end of the day, I just wonder if he alright, he alright.
And that I understand, but you also have to bear in mind to your best. Because you really try. You try.
Alright, I go run 2 trip. I go just go to bed and run 2 trip. And then later, we just pick you up and we go to Mr. Patrick there, you there. Alright. Sav. What about Melvin?
No, man, I scully, man.
Come on, come in the front now.
No, sir, I ain't driving in the front, Rasta.
Alright, come in the back then.
Yeah, man, fly door now.
Oh, man, I'll be lucky, bro. Me lucky, man.
You be lucky?
Alright.
Yo, you know what this? Eh?
I want to play Melvin, alright?
Yo, I said, don't call me no Melvin, brother. My name's Scully. You're deaf.
Bro, I can't talk to me, sir.
What do you mean you talk to you, sir? Yo, pull up on us, sir.
Yo, bro, I want this for?
Pull up on us, sir. What do you mean, sir, what this for? Eh? Stop us, sir. You see people like you, you're ungrateful, yo.
Yo, we are talking about?
Yo, your brother do everything for you. Give her the bus, your brother. And make you live in your apartment. See? And you come go on like you want to take him on for fool. People like you for dead, yo.
You not go some my bus.
What do you mean, say you, hey boy, you're so lie, Rasta for lie.
So what you want, bro? Kill or kill me?
When me say kill me, I kill you. Things more, money more. The man has send money from you from foreign to buy the bus. And you buy the bus, like, for your name, dirty dog. You hear me I say? Matter of fact, yo, drive. Drive this bum right. You hear me say drive? Rasta me say drive this. Move fast.
Bad Ross now.
Yeah, bro, we general. Yeah. Up and running, man. You know what I mean?
So for true, man.
Anna.
So what level is that now?
Why? I'm going to show me a vibes and say, certain people are bait. You know what I say? I fear bosses, sir.
Watch ya. Ratchet. So what are you, sir?
You serious? What do you mean, so what are you?
You bring it forward.
Bro, I'm going to tell you what I'm going, man. Me's a youth, boy. Me listen. See? Me listen. It's when people talk, that's why I don't really have much friends and so forth. I'm going to spar with people. It's when people talk, I listen. And if you're a good youth, me I say, boy, me I support you. I'm surprised for you, man.
Yeah, man. Lift it, man. Billions. Rich.
Sheldon, I can't believe you really do this, you know.
What going on, sir?
You say what going on, sir. We have to solve a problem. That man that take you for idiot, brother. Yo, solve your problem. Solve your problem, bro. I say you have to get rid of certain things because him now only gonna make things worse for you,
brother.
Yo.
You must have money and work for him. You have billions in there, you know.
No, our billions different. We're gonna make it.
Bro, you really are gonna do this to me? After me did it for your brother, me take you in my house. I'll be more than a brother to you. You really are gonna make this a man that make you kill me?
Yeah, man, sir.
You have to leave everything down here, see me in the car. make you know what I go on still. I really brother this way take me in, you know.
What do you mean take in?
I deport, me get deport, bro.
Bad. What? What do you mean say get deport?
Me can't really do it, bro, cause my brother house me, money woman that them put me up. You see me?
So now, you
Can't be ungrateful,
take
bro.
Rasta for idiot.
No, bro. I take a fee that.
So how you go then?
But me just not try save face, you see me? Cause I say deport, me get deported, me can't make the thing look
What
like
do you mean say
shit.
member like say me when know that?
Just
Brother,
take-
yo, that's why I not trust people, you know. And that me I talk about, you know. So how it go right now? Cause I need
Bro,
some money
me
to
can't,
say, you know.
me can't listen to my brother because of money.
He's a hustler. How it go? Eh? Hey boy, give me back.
I really want to apologize to them. You see me? Because me left from foreign get deep on them thing left. And they are Jamaica. I'm to hold my head high and get my life together. Be a foolish me out there, because I dip on a rampage on night time, you know, just because of fast money and, you see me? I live with bad company. One Melvin, I never know who he really be, but you have an idea same way, because I just take full responsibility for my action, you see me? And just go and hold it out right now, in here, you see me?
I understand all what you say, you know. I understand everything that you say. And bro, me just hope say you take this as a lesson, you know. Because you know, you get charged with Melvin murder. Which mean what truth. For me, the authority them not gonna listen to what me I say. You just feel like it's probably everything are you orchestrating. So sometimes in life, bro, things might look green up on the other side, but you know greener, a carpet. But my brother, regardless of everything, but we just ensure say we visit you when I visit in time, carry food for you, carry clothes and do what I need to do. See?
Yeah man, my bro, because I do all them things there. And you still come look for me, see me. You see me? There's nobody else come look for me.
Yeah man, that's how you go in life. You know, sometimes you have to learn to forgive, you know. That's one of them things, you see me?
Sure.
You mess up and that's how you go. See like how God forgive we for everything what we do and we continually sin the same way, you see it? But bro,
Sure.
just go and hold them in and go and hold up your head, you know. Alright?
Yeah man.
Alright.
But I promise you, me soon for those things, because good behavior, you know?
Alright, do you right, man.
One phone call changed everything. One open door brought suffering. When loyalty becomes a chain, everybody feels the pain. Oh, you choose love over truth. How you lose everything for proof. Sometimes love off it draw the line before darkness steal your shine. Love can't blind me. Love should set me free. If you're wrong, you're wrong. Even if you are family. One bad choice bring police to me door. Love can't hide crime. Love can't buy peace. When you protect badness, good things cease. Sometimes the hardest words to say no before everything fade away.
If you're in the Orlando or Ocala, Florida area, or even Georgia, and you're looking to buy or sell your home, Donna Campbell is the realtor you should call. You can WhatsApp her or call her at 407-449-3371. Or you can visit her website at www.donettecampbell.com. Or you can also find her on Facebook.
At Richard Brown's Films, we offer more than just movies. We offer professional photo and video services. In case your family members or friends are unable to attend your event, we can live stream it just for you. So if you're in need of a professional photo and video services, look no further. Call the number on the screen. Guess what? You can get to meet some of your favorite actors and actresses at your event. If you never knew, now you know. Pick up the phone and call us today to to book your special event.
Alright, big up on yourself again. Thank you guys for watching. If you watch the video to the end, it simply means you watch the video to the end. Alright, so you are going to know. We're in the process of trying to get at least 2 female actresses, or even 1 and a male. Because not that we're changing who we're already using already, but we want to add to the persons that we already have. So part of what I'm asking for, because persons do reach out to me and contact me, but a lot of the time they're not what I'm looking for, and sometimes because of the distance for them that was a challenge. So I'm looking for, and this is the age group that I want. I want a female where at least 18 to 25. Because with that age, you can literally play any role. As it pertains, you can play a schoolgirl, you can play an adult, you can play a girlfriend, you can play a role what we normally use. So we want anybody from 18 to 25. And preferably if them live in the western region, meaning Westmoreland, because sometimes when persons live outside of the parish, it simply means that we might have to find accommodation for them. If somebody reach out to me and you're out of parish and you're what I am looking for, me can consider taking you on, because we kind of have accommodation. But if you live in a Westmoreland, we know so you can go home when we're done the film. As it pertains to male, same age group, anywhere from 18 to 25, as long as you're interested in acting, link me up. Preferably if you're clean cut, in meaning that you don't grow your hair, because when you grow your hair, your roles are limited comparing to somebody who have low cut. So link me up if you're interested, we can make it work. We still not give up on the dreams that we have as it pertains to want to work on some big budget films. We just acquire our Nikon red camera. We still need a lens for it. I still need to get 1 more camera. I need some cards. I need some memory cards. I need some hard drive. So those are some of the things that we need to add to what I already have to kind of make the thing work. So link me up on Instagram, Richard Brown Films, and we can make the thing work. Big up on yourself.